Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-3 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5231. This shape runs from the 6th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.